Aurora homeowners. Here's one of the biggest questions I get before listing a home. Should I fix things up or just sell as is? It's a tough call because the wrong choice could cost you time, money, or even the sale itself. So in this video, I'll break down when making repairs actually pays off, when it doesn't, and how to decide which route is right for your home and your goals. Let's start by looking at what the Aurora market is actually rewarding right now. I'm Sean Gimpert with O'Neill Property Group, helping homeowners across Aurora and the western suburbs sell smarter, not just faster. And if you're wondering whether it's worth updating before selling, this is your playbook. Stick around until the end and I'll share how to get a free consultation to see exactly what your home could sell for as is versus updated. Here's what we're seeing right now. Updated move-in ready homes are still selling quickly, often within 10 to 14 days. Homes needing work are staying on the market 30 to 45 days longer on average. But buyers are open to homes that need TLC if the price reflects it. That means you don't always have to spend thousands fixing everything. Sometimes smart pricing beats perfect condition. So how do you know which updates are worth the effort and which aren't? Here's a quick rule of thumb. Focus on what buyers notice first. In Aurora's current market, that means fresh paint and lighting. These make your home feel newer immediately. Flooring fixes. Replacing worn carpet or refinishing hardwood can return 2 to 3 times your cost. Minor kitchen updates. New hardware, faucet, or backsplash. Skip the full remodel. These cosmetic upgrades help your home photograph better and emotionally connect with the buyers. But here's where sellers often waste money. Let's talk about what not to do. Here's the truth. Not every project gives a return. Full kitchen or bathroom remodels rarely pay off right before selling. Major mechanical replacements such as the furnace, the roof, or HVAC only matter if they're broken. If your home needs larger repairs, sometimes the best strategy is to price it right and sell as is. Investors, flippers, and cash buyers are active in Aurora, and with smart marketing, you can still net a solid return without the stress of renovation. So how do you know which direction fits your situation? The best way to make the call is to compare two parallel numbers. Your home's current as-is value, its projected after repair value, then weigh the repair cost versus potential return. That's exactly what I do during my consultation and value review. We'll look at your specific neighborhood, comps, and see which path, as is or updated, actually leaves more in your pocket. And the good news? The answer is rarely do everything. It's about doing the right things for your market segment. If you're in Aurora and debating whether to make repairs or sell as is, let's run the numbers together. Click the link below to schedule your free consultation and I'll show you your best path, backed by real data. And before you go, check out these videos next. Buy new construction in Aurora without stress, and Aurora sellers timing a tougher market, what's working now. Both will help you position your sale for maximum results.